Hi guys, this is Jimmy. I'm not underwater today, but today I'm going to show you how to set up my Hobie Compass for the fishing. Okay, let's see. This is the Hobie Compass 2019 model, and I did a lot of modification in here. Basically, I like this kayak, but I think good to have some modification for convenience when you're fishing. The first thing is rectangular hatch. It is same as the Outback's one, and then I also installed the pad left and right side. And in case of the right side, I cut some shape according to cup holder, and inside of the rectangular hatch, I put almost everything here. For example, the weight and my rig, sun cream and sunglasses, whatever. Quite huge space. And I installed the Scotty cup holder. The mold of the compass is not tall, so just when you put the water bottle here, it easily fall down. So when you install this cup holder, it can hold water bottle well. Okay, next item is the trolling motor. So actually I made it by myself, and I bought every part that I needed, and then I assembled it for my convenience. So basically this is the Hobie cassette, and then this is the water snake, 24 pound, and just I connect the cable here, and I put connector here, and inside there's the wire to link to this side. So these powers go to the here. This is his battery, and then this is PWM motor controller, and I link to the small cable here, and I put the controller like here. So the benefit of the position here is I can control both of the direction by rudder and the speed of the motor by one hand. It's very convenient. Let me show you how it works. So just you turn around, then motor will move. And for the fish finder and camera, the front camera, I use the one lithium battery. So let me show you what it is. So I installed the battery on the front hatch. So when you install the center hatch, and you can move the original circle hatch to the front like this, and then when you cut it the hole, I think you should keep the hole like this, so you can hold the battery here. So just as you can see, when you connect this line, and it will connect to the small circuit here, and then I install here the converter from 12 volt to the 5 volt for GoPro. So just one 5 volt connection will be connected to here, so it will support the all day long battery for GoPro, and also it will be connected to the 12 volt line here, and then it goes to the fish finder. So just when you connect this one battery, this is 20 amp, so it can support both of the GoPro and then the fish finder. Okay, next item is the milk box. So usually I put the battery here, and then this measure, and this is bilge pump. So every time when I go for the oceans or the lake, wherever, I always carry the bilge pump just in case. This is for the motor. So when you deinstall the motor, when you put out the motor, sometimes the direction of propel is like this, then it's very difficult to pull out from the cassette here. So that when you pull out the motor, just put it inside and then like this, then you can easily put the motor out. This is Hobie HRL basket, and then I made the additional lid on top of that. I use it for the keeping the bait here, with ice pack, and then it can keep cool my bait. This is especially good for the summer season. I installed J hook, the 4 J hook, the 2 for both sides, Bunch cord can easily hold tightly this milk box. So lastly, I installed the PVC pipe here, and this is to store the Hobie cart. And I installed the Scotty flush mount. I use it when I go for the salmon fishing, and I use it for the downrigger. So I installed the downrigger here, and then loader there, and easy to use. This is the Hobie bag, and usually I carry my snack here, easily accessible from the seat. This is Mirage Drive 180, and then standard model, narrow turbo model. The reason why I bought narrow turbo model, standard model, is when I use the motor, it's very easy to keep the standard Mirage in this area. And then after that, I can put motor here, and then when I don't use the motor, and just pull out and then switch it to the Mirage and the motor. I use the fish bag when I go fishing for salmon or the halibut, and very easy to keep my fish here. And just I use the full clip, so I installed another this 4 of this, and then clip it, and just front side clip like this. This is Hobie Compass loader. When you Cartop the kayak on top of the car, it can protect the loader. And as you might know, when you use the trolling motor, you have to register your kayak on DMV. So this is my kind of the registration number with the sticker. The size image transducer have to be installed outside of the the cover. I heard that this is not work when installed inside, so I have to cut this cover like this, and then install like this, and it works well. So that's it. So if you have any question regarding my kayak setup, please comment, and then I'll reply there. Thank you.